Imagine an artifact that could rewrite history, a clay jar that hints at a forgotten power source. Was it a forgotten treasure of advanced technology or a gift from beyond the stars? Join us on a journey through time as we unravel the mystery you probably haven't heard of, the Baghdad Battery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool history content. And now on History's Untold, Baghdad Battery, Advanced Civilization, or Ancient Aliens. In the world of archaeology, there are discoveries that challenge our understanding of ancient civilizations and spark debates that ripple through the ages. The Baghdad Battery, an unassuming clay jar found in Iraq, is one such enigma. This artifact, which dates back to the Parthian period, roughly 250 BC to 225 AD, consists of a copper cylinder enclosing an iron rod. Its structure resembles a primitive galvanic cell, or in simpler terms, an electrical battery. Over the years, the Baghdad Battery has inspired a multitude of theories, ranging from it being an advanced civilization's battery to speculations involving ancient aliens. The story of the Baghdad Battery begins in the early 20th century when German archaeologist Wilhelm Konig excavated the ruins of a Parthian settlement near the village of Kujut Rabu, situated just outside Baghdad, Iraq. During the excavation, Konig uncovered a collection of curious artifacts, one of which would go on to baffle the archaeological world for decades. The centerpiece of this discovery was an unassuming clay jar, standing at approximately 5 inches in height. What set this vessel apart was its peculiar interior. Within the jar, archaeologists found a copper cylinder, which held a snug fit for an iron rod. Both the copper cylinder and iron rod appeared to have been fashioned with great precision. One of the most intriguing theories surrounding the Baghdad Battery is that it functioned as an ancient battery. According to proponents of this theory, the copper and iron components, when filled with an acidic substance such as vinegar or wine, could generate a small electric charge. This electrical charge, it is suggested, might have been harnessed for various technological purposes. Electroplating is one of the primary applications proposed for this purported battery. Electroplating is a process wherein a metal object is coated with a thin layer of another metal through the use of electricity. The precision with which the ancient Egyptians, for example, created gold-plated jewelry and other ornamental objects has puzzled historians and archaeologists for centuries. Some argue that the Baghdad Battery could have been employed in electroplating gold onto objects, thus explaining the precision of such artifacts. Another suggestion is that the electrical charge produced by the Baghdad Battery could have been used for medical purposes. Ancient texts from the same period mention the use of electric fish for pain relief, and it is conceivable that the battery might have played a similar role. While the notion of ancient aliens may sound far-fetched, it is a theory that has captured the imaginations of many. Proponents of this hypothesis suggest that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in ancient times and left behind advanced technology, including the Baghdad Battery. According to this theory, the purpose of the battery remains a mystery to us because it was not of human origin but was left by aliens. The idea here is that the ancient humans who stumbled upon the battery might not have understood its true purpose and could have perceived it as a religious or mystical artifact. Some even speculate that the battery might have been used as a power source for extraterrestrial equipment or communication devices. While these theories may make for compelling narratives, the scientific and scholarly community tends to approach the Baghdad Battery with a more grounded view. Firstly, it's essential to consider the context in which the artifact was discovered. The Parthian period in which the battery is dated was characterized by significant advancements in various fields, including metallurgy, mathematics, and medicine. However, the knowledge of electricity and its applications in ancient Mesopotamia is, at best, speculative. There is no evidence of electrical wiring, devices, or any corroborating archaeological finds that suggest the Parthians had harnessed electricity for practical purposes. Moreover, the primary function of the Baghdad Battery remains a subject of debate among experts. Many scholars lean towards a more mundane interpretation, suggesting that the artifact might have been used as a container for storing sacred scrolls or papyrus. The copper and iron components, when exposed to an acidic environment, could have helped preserve the delicate contents within, thus protecting valuable texts. Additionally, there is evidence of similar clay jars from the same period discovered with ancient texts inside. These findings support the theory that the battery was not an isolated technological marvel, but part of a broader cultural practice of using such vessels for religious or administrative purposes. The Baghdad Battery is certainly a perplexing artifact that continues to captivate the imagination of both scholars and enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in on History's Untold. If you enjoyed today's episode and want to journey further into the fascinating corners of history, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we unearth another incredible story. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring, because history is filled with stories that are just waiting to be told. See you in the next episode.